Hello, first graders. My name is Miss Field, and I'm going to be your first grade teacher this year. I am so excited to be back at school. I cannot wait to meet you and learn more about you and do all the amazing things that you get to do in first grade. I thought it would be fun to share a story with you tonight, and this story is called The Night Before First Grade. So I hope you are just as excited about first grade as I am because it's an awesome time. So, The Night Before First Grade by Natasha Wing, illustrated by Deborah Zemke. 'Twas the night before first grade. I kissed my dog Clover. School's starting tomorrow because summer is over. Into my backpack went markers and crayons. I hung my new outfits. It matched my friend Jen's. I spoke not a word, but went straight to the shelf and filled up my lunchbox I made by myself. I can't wait to see Jenny, I told my big brother. I hope that our desks are right next to each other. That night I was nestled all snug in my bed, while visions of jungle gyms danced in my head. The next day at breakfast, Dad made such a fuss. What a big girl you are, to be taking the bus. Hurry, Penny, said Mom as it turned down our street. Over here, I shouted. I saved you a seat. At school, kindergartners stood outside in the hall. They all looked so young. Were we ever that small? While they clung to their parents, we hugged Miss Sunrise. You two grew so tall, she said with surprise. Ding-ding-ding-ding, rang the school bell. We made such a clatter as we raced to our classrooms. Then Jen said, "What's the matter?" The principal told us that some changes were made. We have some new students, so we split the first grade. Hi, Penny, said my teacher. You're in here with me. But yipes, Jenny wasn't. She was in room 33. We waved goodbye sadly and said, "See you later." I had to be brave because I'm a first grader. Soon we sat in a circle and we each said our name. Then we played 20 questions and I won the game. Mr. Barr is so funny. He tells jokes and juggles. And our class pet's so cute. It's a bunny named Snuggles. I knew most of the kids except just a few, so I went and said hi to a girl who was new. That is so kind. We sat side by side and made pictures with noodles. We laughed when we saw we both made noodle poodles. We both have pet turtles and love turquoise blue, and pistachio ice cream is her favorite too. I can't wait till you meet my best friend at lunch. I just know that you'll both like each other a bunch. The lunchroom was buzzing, so busy and loud. We sat down at a table when Was Jen in this crowd? When what to my wondering eyes, there in line was Jen with a new friend who looked just like mine. I'm Tina. I'm Nina. Their eyes, how they twinkled behind matching frames. They had curly pigtails and they had rhyming names. Tina and Nina are rhyming words. Our new friends were twins, and through school, though school has just begun, I know first grade will be twice as much fun. I cannot wait to start first grade with some new awesome friends. I hope you are excited, and I will see you all soon. Goodbye.